Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Okay, sir, I will start the session.
Yes.
Good morning, Dr. B.K. Verma, and good morning to the participants. We are watching this live session. So, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed participants and fellow data enthusiasts, welcome to today's enlightening session on the present, past, and future of data science in emerging technology. In this rapidly evolving world, data science has emerged as a cornerstone of innovation, driving breakthroughs in various industries and shaping the way we interact with technology. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the trajectory of data science from its humble beginnings to its current state and the exciting prospects that await us in the future. The field of data science has undergone a profound transformation over the years, from its early roots in statistics and computer science to its present day interdisciplinary nature, encompassing domains such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, and big data analytics, and more. We will delve into the origins of data science, understanding how it evolved to become the powerful force it is today. In this session, we have the privilege of hearing from distinguished experts in the field of data science who will share their valuable insights, experiences, and predictions. We encourage all participants to engage actively, ask questions, and foster a collaborative learning environment. Before we start Dr. D.K. Verma's session, I would like to give some short introduction about him. Dr. Kumar Verma is an accomplished academician with an impressive educational background, holding a BHD as well as ME and BE degrees from BITS Blani in Rajasthan. He is an esteemed alumnus of both BITS Blani and Birla School Blani. With 19 years of teaching experience, Dr. Verma has demonstrated a deep commitment to education and knowledge dissemination. Dr. Verma's contributions extend beyond teaching, as evidenced by his prolific research career. He has published a remarkable total of 51 research papers in prestigious international and national journals and conferences. This highlights his dedication to advancing knowledge and contributing to the academic community. Recognized for his outstanding research and academic achievements, Dr. Basant Kumar Verma has received notable awards in recent years. In 2021 and 22, he was honored with the Best Researchers and Academic Awards by esteemed organizations such as MSME under the Government of India, IOR Canada, and the Tamil Nadu government. Dr. Prasanth Kumar Verma's impressive academic credentials, extensive research contributions, and accolades for his exceptional work make him a highly respected and accomplished professional in his field. So at the end, I would like to introduce to the motto of Dr. B.K. Verma, unraveling the data-driven journey, embracing the past, exploring the present, and envisioning the future. So I would like to hand over the session to Dr. B.K. Verma, and also thanks a lot joining us today. And over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Am I audible or slide is visible?
Yeah, yes, sir. Perfect.
Yeah. So good morning, all of participants. Today, like data science or like big data, they are playing like a crucial role to developing the our IT
So,
sectors.
so video needs to be on.
Yeah. Now, okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So today's scenario, data science or big data, these two terms are playing a very crucial role in the IT industry, in the developing any like a nation or to developing any technology infrastructure or like any other like today in the market or business market also they are using data science or big data technology. The thing is like what exactly like future of data science, because today in the scenario a lot of students are preferring to study the data science or like data analytics or something like big data part. And today in the India, a lot of the students, they are adopting the particular like part data science or big data part. If we talk about like what exactly uh, present or past or future of data science, so I just tell you brief about that. What exactly a data science? Data science just like a multidisciplinary field, or it's not like it's a new thing we are studying currently. Data science. Data science is a very oldest part. Before 20 or 30 years, during that my graduation, we have studied data mining or like some other like a part. So data mining or data science, they are very closely related to each other. And today in the market, data science or like big data, they are fully or totally depend on the data. Because if you have a, like a data, then you can do anything like that in the world. Today you can see most of the popular or biggest company in the world, like uh, Google or like Facebook or like some other social media, they are using data. They they only using the data or information, and based on that they do some particular market analysis or market scenario. So today in our talk, we will discuss like a major part. So we will try to cover as much as possible that today talk. So digital technology or digital data. So today, like the digital technology or digital data, they are playing crucial role, and every government they are focusing on the digitalization, and every sector or every government also they are trying to keeping the record in a digital form. So digital technology and digital data, they are playing crucial role, or in the coming future, they will play a biggest role in the to improving the any technology infrastructure or digital infrastructure in the world. Dark data, because we have a lot of people, they have to study about what exactly the data or what exactly information. Dark data is another part of the data. Sometimes we have not seen such type of dark data during that our business process or business analytics. So I will tell you that what exactly dark data and what is the major role of dark data to in the process of the a type of data in the IT sector. Intelligence data. So as you know that around we have a lot of data, or every area, every sector, they are using a lot of data, huge amount of data. And this data generally we do not use, not all data we have to use in the business process. So what happened that in that particular data, we need to identify such type of intelligence data, because intelligence data is they only play the role to improving the business, to improving the process, or to capture the particular business part. So intelligence data is the most important, and every data analysis or data analyst, they have to should know about the how to capture such type of intelligence data, because we do not need all type of data, all data, because we know that in our process we will use 10% or 30% of only intelligence data, and this data they have to play biggest role to making the decision. History of data science. So what exactly history of data science, how come in the market like data science, and what are the exactly steps, or what are the phases we have to use in the data science, and what exactly comes the market in the data science in the scenario. Role of big data in data science. So what exactly like big data? As we have seen everywhere, we have to hear about the particular like big data. So what exactly big data, or how to play the role big data in the data set, we'll see that. So what exactly present or past or future of data science? So we will study that, and I already explained about what exactly present or past or future. It's not a new field, it's a very oldest field, Earlier we used with the name of data mining. Today we are using data science, and future also we have to use them at different terms like that. We will check out that part. So different applications and tools, or if you have any questions, answer, we'll take it in the last. So is it visible, this slide? Anybody can confirm that?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So Steve Jobs. So this name, like everybody knows about that this person. So this person, Steve Jobs, uh, he started the Apple company. We can say like that, and he was the biggest motivator, biggest role handling in this particular company, Apple. So he said, uh, because everywhere we are talking about the technology, we should know the technology, we should adopt the technology, and without technology, we cannot grow or we cannot improve in the world, in the IT sectors. So technology is nothing. He said that technology is a nothing like that, because the thing is that we should know the tool, and this tool is used by the smart people. If we don't have any like good people or smart people, and we have a like advanced technology and everything is there, so there is no use for like that. So we should have a good people, smart people, and if the smart people, they have to use our tools, and these particular tools they have to use, and they can do wonderful things in the world, in the IT sectors. The thing is that technology is nothing. We need to focus on the particular like good people, smart people, and these smart people, they have to use the right tool, because in the market tools is also available like that. Lot of tools is available like that. So which tool is best, which tool is a correct, which tool is, so we can get the correct insights, correct predictions, correct information. So it is a very important like that. So only smart people or good people, they can identify that particular right tool. So that is a famous quote that is given by the Steve Jobs like that. Technology is nothing. We need to focus on the particular smart people, good people, and they people, they have to use right tool in the IT sectors. In 1963, that is one of the lady you can see in the picture, Mrs. G. So she said in 1963 newspaper, she said, one day everybody will keep it the mobile phone in your pocket or in your hand. So you can assume like that, because the thing is, why is important in this picture? We should dream. At least we should have a dream, whatever we want to become like that after 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 50 years. So we should have a dream. So this lady in 1963 anticipated like that one day everybody will keep it a phone in your pocket or in your hand. And first mobile in 1973, that was the launched by the particular person, John Mitchell. It was around a 2 kg weight of this particular a handset, a cellular phone, and it was automated by the 1G launched with the particular one of the greatest company of in the Japan, Nippon telephone company. They have launched a first 1G mobile phone with the help of John F. Mitchell. So you can assume like that in 1963, she anticipated that one day we can keep it a phone in our hand, in our pocket. Nobody was thought that this could be, we can convert this dream in a real scenario. But thing is that we should dream, and we should focus on the particular dream, and this dream should convert in the particular correct output or correct scenario. So I just show you that one video of a very popular, or we can say like that, it's a role model of every youngest or young people, or like any entrepreneur. They always follow this particular person, Jack Ma, because this name is a very big name right now in the Jack Ma, and you can listen. He will tell you what exactly how they have to build the particular Alibaba.com, and during that starting this particular company, he faced a lot of problem. So it's not like that only one day they have to create it, one they have to launch the particular this company. They did very struggle to build this particular company. I just show you that small video, so you can identify like that what Jack Ma as a particular thinking about the particular dream, or like how can we convert your dream in the real things. Is it audible, visible this video?
Sir, no, sir.
Oh, just a second. Now,
No, sir. Just we have to see in the slides only.
so no audio is coming in.
No.
What happened that? So anyway, just
Sir, please increase the sound.
So in this video, you can see a dream. So without dream, we cannot think about that in future. And dream is also never change. It's not like that every day you have to change your dream. So he started his career, like in one of the apartment, only the using internet. They didn't have any manpower, they didn't have any logistic and some other like facilities. They started uh, a company Alibaba with that only the internet in the small rooms in the small apartment. So you can think about that according to Jack Ma. So you should have a dream, and this dream should have to convert in your whatever your objective, whatever is your aim, whatever you want to become. And similar in the sense of data scientist. If you want to become a good data scientist, if you want to become a like a good analyst, right? So you should have a dream, and this dream should not change every day. You have to focus. You have to do some hard work like that. One day you can, one day you cannot become a good data scientist. You have to lot of practice. So digital revolution. So in the digital revolution, you can see in that particular we have a lot of versions like 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, and recently they have to launch 5.0 this industrial revolution. So we started 1.0 revolution. So you can see in the mechanization. So you can see in the particular 1.0, it was the beginning of the particular digital revolution. And first time we have to start it like the equipment, uh, mechanical equipment. We started uh, to uh, to produce our good products and to smart manufacturing we can do with the help of 1.0. Then next era around 1870, 2.0 electrification they have to come in the market, and the 2.0 basically focus on the technology advancement of technology in this particular part, and in the electricity, in the gas, in the oil, they have drastically changed the particular this 2.0 in the particular business scenario. Then after 3.0, 3.0 they have to focus on the automation, because and the first time we introduced the like computers, some smart gadgets we can say like that, some good computers, and with the help of computers we can do some automations, we can do some advanced part like that with the particular business. Then 2000 or 2011, we have to started the digitalization. As we know all about that particular, everybody is focusing on the digital technology or digitalization. And everybody want to keep it the record in the digital forms. So 4.0, it was a digitalization. First time, they have to drastically change the scenario of the world, and everybody focus on the particular digital records or digital scenario. So in this particular part we have to introduce a lot of things like big data, artificial intelligence, some AI based robotics in this particular part. And After that, 5.0, this was the like newly industrial revolution they have to came in the market. 5.0 is personalization. In this particular part, machines and men, they can work together with the help of cognitive computing, some pervasive computing, or some maybe like quantum computing. They like recently launched in the particular in the scenario, the quantum computing, and like any other like mass customization process we have to use in the 5.0. So these are the like a hierarchy of the particular industrial revolution in the society. They how to convert the like our digital records from 1.0 to 5.0. So digital technology means like we have to focus on the particular like electronic tools. We are mainly focusing on the electronic tools, or like our smart gadgets or systems and devices. And with the help of this particular digital technology, we can process our data, we can store our data in a particular format, and with the help of different functions, we can increase our productivity, efficiency, performance in the particular business. So these are some examples of the particular digital technology, like personal computers, devices, cameras, some fast transmissions, speed type of data, and that particular store that is particular data in the digital records. So digital technology, if you look at like that in a scenario, we are directly or indirectly, we are connected with this particular digital technology. You can say like that every time we have to live with the digital technology, we play with the digital technology, we learn with the digital technology, and even we have to work with the digital technology. So you can think about that digital technology, how much is important in our life. So without digital technology, we cannot assume like that our bright futures like that. So you can see like that everybody is not even only educated persons are connected with the digital technology, even non-educated persons or educated persons, they are also connected with the digital technology. So these are the basically types of digital technology they have to focus on like that. So you can see in the diagram, uh, there are a lot of types of digital technology we are directly using. You can see like that business technology, as I told you like that digital technology and data analysis of big data, they are majorly used in the business technology. So in that we have a communication technology, we have a operational technology, we have educational, we have a information technology, IT infrastructures. We are adopting also advanced some super intelligence technique with the help of AI, machine learning or deep learning. So these are the some super intelligence process we are using in our devices, in our day to day, in our process. And blockchain is one of the another security reason or security part. We are coming future. Currently, we are using this type of blockchain technology in the world, and blockchain technology will play a crucial role in coming in the market. And security provisions they will adopt this particular blockchain technology. So India's first national digital university. So as you know, like that recently in 2000, government of India they have to launch one digital university. It was a first digital university in India, and it is established in Kerala. Right. So in the Kerala government, they have to inaugurate India's first digital university, and governor of this particular Kerala, they have to introduce this particular university, Vijayanand, and CM of the particular Kerala and governor of particular Kerala, Arif Muhammad, they have to launch this first digital university in India in a Kerala state. So advancement in technology. So you can see in the diagram how we have to converted our traditional technology or traditional thinking in the advanced technology. Earlier we used telephone system, and right now we are using smartphone. And telephone system we used at the time, we didn't keep the any like history record, some other like a calling record, voice record, some other information like that. But in the market, after coming the smartphone, we can keep it the everything record. Every record we can keep it with the help of smartphone. And similar in the sense of in the uh, like automobile in the car. Earlier we used old in India we have used ambassador, and right now in the market there are a lot of AI or AI based sensor based uh, cars are available in the market. So in cell phone, we can see like an evaluation of the particular cell phone, starting from the traditional cell phone, and right now we are using the smartphone. How the technology or like they converting the day by day our daily to daily life our products. So new tool, new day, because every day we have to face a new tool in the data science or like machine learning or artificial intelligence. Every day we are we are looking the particular new tool. So you can think about that particular, every day we are getting a new tool. So the problem is that data scientist, because today data scientist is using any tool. He or she don't know after 1 month or after 6 months or after 1 year he will be or she will be continue will be work on this particular tool or not, because we are changing drastically in the technology or even in the data science or machine learning or artificial intelligence. Every day we are facing the such a different technology, some different tools, and every day we have to launch new tool. So if we talk about the data scientist or data analysis, it's a very challenging job. Okay, how much they have to learn the particular tools and what are the tools they have to need to learn this particular tool, because every day we have to see the new tool. So in the diagram, we can see like that we have a like 120 or 120 plus AI tools. So you can see in the diagram, there are lot of tools are available in the market, and every tool is using by the different companies like that. It's not like that only on paper we have given like that these 122. Every company, different company, they are using these all 120 types of AI tools. You can think about that in the market. There are lot of opportunities available on the AI and data science or some other like part data analysis part. You can see in the diagram in the writing or design and chatbot or in the different part like that, video or marketing or productivity. So in the writing, we have a different tools. In the designing, we have different tools. And chatbot, you can see like we have a lot of different types of chatbot tools, like Google brand. We have Jasper, we have Chat GPT, or some other Chat Sport, something like that. So every area, we have a lot of tools are available in the market. So I just show you one small video, basically based on the data science and how the people are thinking about the data science, and this data science directly or indirectly it's a linked with our real life. Just show you the video, and you can think about that data science is how it's connected in our regular or daily to life. Just a second. Is it visible, madam? Can you confirm that?
Yeah, yes, sir. But video.
Yeah, no issue. That is, the text is available. That so we can read about that.
Yeah, okay. Just I hearing only sound.
Yeah.
Sir, please increase the volume.
Yeah, full volume from my side.
Yeah, okay. But I can't hear that voice.
No issue, madam. Text is available there, so people can read about that.
Yeah, okay. But in a slide, just have only one content data, science video, that's all.
Okay, video is not coming.
Yeah.
Okay, just a second. Just a second. Now,
No, sir.
so video is visible.
No.
I just now.
No, sir. Just click on the play.
So no video is coming.
The videos are visible, but
Sound is not there. No,
yeah,
no issue. Like no issue because the
the video,
text is
video also not working.
now.
Just I am able to see the lot of videos only.
Now,
Yeah, yes, sir. And please increase the volume.
So you can think about that in this video, because this lady knows everything about this particular person, even like bank record, passport details, medical history, or some other like whatever information. The thing is that today in the social media, whatever like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever that, so they are keeping your record, not even like personal records, even also like your educational records, your medical records, your hobbies, your interests, something like that. Everything record they are keeping in a particular part. So thing is that we are using a lot of gadgets, we are using a lot of softwares, we are using a lot of wearable computing, privacy computing, and every like this particular advanced computing, they are keeping record. So you can assume like that that particular person, how much we like they can keep the record and they can use or misuse in the future also like that. So data or information is the most important, and every company they are keeping the record in your different scenarios. So you can see in the diagram data science tool. Is it visible this slide? Anybody can confirm?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. So data science tools. So in the market, there are lot of opportunity in the data science also. So you can think in the diagram, there are a lot of not only these are only limited tools. We have unlimited tools available in the market. So these are some popular tools are available in this slide. You can see MongoDB, SAP, Oracle, Neo4j, HBase, MySQL, some like R programming, Python programming, Veka, SAS, Pandas, Julia, Cognos, some other like Hadoop, Spark, HANA, Hive. There are lot of tools are based on the data science, and every biggest company, every major company, they are using these data science tools. You can think about it. There are a lot of opportunities. If students learn only MongoDB, there are lot of opportunity based on the MongoDB in the IT sectors, in the IT market. If you learn Oracle, if you learn only the Python, if you learn only Hadoop, only learn the Hive, SAS, R programming, there are lot of opportunities. You can think about that like that everywhere. Computer science in the India, they are adopting first choice to the computer science. So that's why the reason is that why is computer science is a number one choice in the today in the scenario. So I think this slide is not so much visible. It's a lot of data, but I just focus on this slide. Python, R, or SQL, or Jupyter Notebook. These are the popular programming data science tools. Company they are preferring, or company they are giving the preference. These 3 to 4 to major cases, 60% or 70% cases we are using Python or R programming, or even SQL programming, or with the help of Jupyter Notebook, TensorFlow. So these are some popular technology analytics tools we are using in the market. So data driven decision making, because as we know that without data driven we cannot take the better decision. If you talk about the particular like data driven in the decision making, so we can think about that there are lot of process we have to follow like that. So initially we can see like that you have to explore the data, and explore the data in the sense of you have to like whatever data you have to keep it in record, like customer data, like employee data, some like student data, some like maybe like some other data. So you have to explore such type of data, and this such type of data you have to analyze this data, and you try to give some different insights, and based on insight we can take a decision. And second part you can see like engagement, how much is this particular like data is engaged in the different channels, and you have to execute, you have to deliver, and you have to give the correct data analysis with the help of such type of data. So data driven is the most important in the any data analysis tool. So if you look at like the particular like process, how the data driven is to follow the process, like first we have a data, because without data we cannot imagine the any like analysis or data analysis or data prediction or whatever like they're thinking about. So you should have a data, and this data we have to collect from the different sources, and that we have to apply the reporting tool. In the reporting tool, we have different reporting tool, maybe like Power BI, we have like Tableau, we have a Click View, or with the Python programming, we also we can do some reporting process. And then we have an analysis. In the analysis, we have different types of analysis, like descriptive analysis. We have a predictive analysis, prescriptive analysis, some like advanced futuristic analysis. We have to follow like that. So every scenario, we have a different type of analysis we have to follow. And then based on that, we have to take a decision. What we have to follow, the which type of data analysis we are following like that. So based on that, we have to take it the action, and based on the action, we have to produce some output or some produce some results to the particular market. So if you talk about the particular steps of data driven, so we have some major 5 steps like we have to follow. Like the step number 1, determine like business questions or issues. So first you have to focus on the particular business problem or like business scenario, business issues, and this particular business issue we should have some strategy and some plan, some goals. Based on that particular like what strategy or like what plan you have to follow to solve this such type of issues, such type of business problems. And you should have some target data, because you have a lot of data. This is all data you will not use in your business analytic process. So you should have some target data. So it may be like you have like 100 records. You will not use 100 records. It may be like 30, it may be like 20, it may be like 40 records you have to use in your business process. You have a target data. And step number 4, you have to collect and analyze the data. And this target data you have to apply in the particular model. And this model, they have to give some different results. And this different result, based on that, we have to choose the correct decision. And based on that, we have to take a decision in the different scenario. So in the data driven, if you apply in the business, so we have a lot of advantage. Why we particularly we are using data driven in the business? So make it a better decision, improve the business process, or we can gain some customers, we can retain the customers, we can add some new customer for the particular in the business process, or we can keep it the like our old customer, and we can give some better advantage, better facility to the particular like old customers, and we can increase the revenue or profit with the help of data driven in business. Now dark data, because dark data basically in the today's scenario, there are a lot of dark data is available in our data storage. So you can see like that 80% data is our hidden data or like dark data. This dark data is not like a like invalid data or dirty data. It's a valuable data, but sometimes what happens that we are not focusing, we are not using such type of dark data in our business process. Suppose if you are taking any data like with the help of data analysis, so sometimes we have to use only like out of 100, maybe like 5 records, maybe like 10 records, it will be like 15 records, not using 100% data in your analysis. So what happened that every time we have to use selected data, like maybe like 20% data, and rest of 80% data, it comes in the dark data. So according to Gartner, what exactly like dark data, we have to focus on that. So dark data is nothing like that. It's a normal data, or this particular data, we have to keep it in our record, in our system. But generally, we do not use such type of data in our regular process, in business process, in analysis process to predicting our business. So that's why one of the biggest company, IDC company, they have to quote it like that 90% of big data is a dark data. And you can think about that 90% data is dark data, but only we are using 10% data. And this 10% data, they have to play the role in our business process. Rest of the data they are not using. So they are a different story about the big data. Like a dark data. What exactly like dark data? And this dark data similar, we can say like a big data is nothing like that. It's a big data, types of big data. But normally we have to say that type of data if we are not focusing, not using in our business process. So that's why we have to say dark data. This is another diagram of dark data, and different dimensions of dark data, because data we have to process but we do not analyze, unstructured data. Normally, we have to face unstructured data that cannot be processed, that cannot be mined in our process, and data in the deep way, depth way, that like that. So these such type of three steps we have to follow in the dark data. So 60% organizations or like major CEOs or like any other person, they have to say like that. Normally, we do not capture the dark data, and we have to not serious about the particular dark data. We do not focus on such type of dark data, and this dark data normally do not use in the our process. So I'll skip dark data. 60% CEOs say it's almost our data is a dark data. So not all data we have to capture in our process. Only limited data or easy data we have to focus on that. Now, decision intelligence. So decision intelligence is a new like technology that helps the particular like a complex decision. Sometimes what happens that we have to face some a difficult situation, and difficult situation we have to take a difficult decision. So such type of like in the situation we need decision intelligence. Decision intelligence is nothing like that. It's a rules and regulation and proper discipline of like that. This particular data or information they have to tune in the our better to take a decision in our business scenario. So these are the steps we have to follow in the decision intelligence. Like we have to connect, we have to model, we have data preparation, we have to search process, we have to automated insights like trends or like anomalies. We have auto ML. Auto ML is the biggest like a process right now we are using. In the auto ML, we do not need any training or testing type of data. I just show you that like what exactly auto ML. You can see in the diagram. Left side, we have traditional ML training process we have to use. Like first, we have to define the problem, collect the data, train the data, test the data, and then evaluate. That type of process we have to use traditionally in the machine learning. But right now, after coming the auto ML, we are using define a problem, we collect the data, and directly we have to give that particular collect data to auto ML, and auto ML give the particular results like that. So we do not need pre-processed data, training data, testing data, evaluate data. Everything is done by the automatically in the with the help of auto ML. So data, because we are focusing on the data, and today we are drowning in the data, but starving for the knowledge. So as we know like that, we have a lot of data, but we don't know which data is the most important, which data is the most useful in our scenario. We can see like the data is a new oil, or data is a new money. We can say like that data is a new money in the current scenario, or this data just like we can say the crude, but is valuable if unrefined, it cannot really be used like that. So according to Clive, he said like data is a new oil, data is a new money in the current scenario. So these are the data about what exactly role play in the scenario. We have to understand the data, because if you cannot understand the data, so you cannot predict the better analysis, you cannot predict the results, you cannot predict the whatever results you want to like that. So you should understand the data. If you are not understanding the data, it would be difficult in the business process. So this is again data flow. I just show you one small video. What exactly AI based, Israel is using this particular like robot. And this robot is totally based on the AI based, and Israel army they are using this particular video. This robot army, and in the in the future it may be a very serious results, it maybe comes in the market if a terrorist or like a terrorist community they have to try to use this such type of robots in the scenario. This video is visible.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So this is from my side. Uh, if you have any questions, you can ask. Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir.
If you have any questions, you can ask.
Yeah, yes, I have some questions here. So, how can federated learning techniques enhance data privacy in the future, allowing multiple organizations to collaboratively train models without sharing raw data?
Can you repeat or can you post this particular question? I'm not able to understand what exactly.
Yeah, okay. How can federated learning techniques enhance data privacy in the future, allowing multiple organizations to collaboratively train models without sharing raw data?
Uh, because data security, it's another challenges. As I told you like that, in our process, we are predicting some analysis, some pre-process like that. But it's a correct like that. How to protect, how to secure such type of data, because it's a biggest issue, biggest challenge in the world. Because everybody focusing on the how to process.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
We have seen a lot of in the previously, but if we using like blockchain technology, we can almost stop such type of forging, such type of duplicate or this such type of market in the market. So we can use the blockchain technology, we can use some advanced security provision, such type of data we have to maintain. But it's obviously it's a correct like that, it's a very difficult challenge.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir. So, what challenges must be addressed to implement federated learning on a global scale, and how might it impact the landscape of data sharing and data ownership?
uh, because data sharing and data managing, because without to sharing the data, managing the data, it's a difficult task. And like that in the machine learning and data science, and we are sharing the data in different aspects. And even like a social media, in the social media we have seen like Facebook or some other like that. So every post is sharing to every community, and this particular like sharing the data, it should be a protected, it should be some proper formalized like that. Otherwise like Facebook or like some other Instagram, they are following Twitter also, like they are following lot of provisions to protect the such type of data, to sharing the data. And sharing the data is always like issue. If this particular like sharing the data, recently I have seen in the Times of India, whatever like our birthday celebration or some marriage anniversary photographs we have to post on the particular social media, it's not a correct. Because in the future time other community, they can misuse such type of photograph, such type of videos in the market. Today we are not facing this problem, but after 10 years, 15 years, you will see like that.
Yeah, okay, thank you, sir. With advancement in brain machine interfaces, how can data science play a role in decoding and interpreting neural signals to enable seamless interactions between humans and machines?
uh, because data science, because you are talking about the like machine learning or deep learning part, and machine learning, deep learning, data science, they are closely interrelated. Because AI, ML, data science, because ML is a subpart of AI, data science is subpart of machine learning, and this particular like a data science or like a deep learning machine learning interrelated, because we are talking about the data. Machine learning and like deep learning, they are also using data. Data science is also using the data, but in the deep learning we have a like a huge amount of data. If you have a huge amount of data, your accuracy, your performance, or your results would be better. But in the data science or machine learning, we can keep it less of record. With the less of record, we can do some better performance. But in the deep learning, different scenario.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir. So, what ethical considerations arise when utilizing brain data for data science applications, and how can we ensure the responsible use of such technologies?
Uh, because it's very difficult to say. That's I have shown some video. Israel army, they are using such type of AI based robot. These such type of AI based robot. Uh, if terrorists or like some other community, they have to try to capture such type of like robots, you can assume like what could be happen in the future. So thing is that it's a very difficult, because today in the market we are using lot of technology, lot of tools, but we don't know how much secure this particular tool, this tool is secure or not, this tool will be ethically should be used or not, because we don't have any provision, we don't have any rules like that. This particular tool is ethical, this tool is a unethical tool. So this is a problem we will face in the future, because we are generating a lot of tools, we are generating everyday tool, but this tool, uh, which tool is ethical, which tool is unethical, this tool could be harm to our country, our the nation, our the society. We don't know. It's a really challenging task.
Yeah, okay, thank you, sir. How might quantum computing revolutions, machine learning algorithms, and data analyze, and what specific data science problems could quantum machine learning address in the future?
Yes, because whatever computation we are doing with the like our smart machines, servers, like a GPU, after coming in the market, quantum computing, whatever problem we are solving, it may be like we are taking one day with the help of GPU or like server. If the market comes in the with the quantum computing, within second we can solve the whatever problem is, whatever computation, whatever problem we can solve like that. So quantum computing will play a biggest role. Or next 10 years you will see like that all the GPU, all the server based machine, it will be removed. We will use the quantum machines, because quantum machine is very fast as compared to traditional computers or like servers.
Yeah, okay, thank you, sir. So, what challenges exist in combining quantum computing with data science, and what expertise will data scientists need to leverage these technologies effectively?
Because data science and quantum computing just like a machines, because we are using a machine like hardware, we are using computing machines, and quantum machine and data science, they are related to each other, because whatever data science applications, whatever data science tools we will use on the quantum platform. And quantum platform, its a beauty is that they will recognize that this particular like process, this particular like tool is authenticate, this tool is a not authenticate, it's a beauty like that. And according to computation is like that, quantum machines, they are very powerful. Or in the future, recently in the US, one of the sectors, they have to using the quantum machines. Or similarly, next 5 to 4 years we will see in India also.
Yeah, okay, thank you, sir. And with the prospects of space exploration expanding, how can data science aid in analyzing vast amounts of space data and optimizing mission planning for future interplanetary endeavors?
You are talking about the space data.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
that's why I'm saying such type of like space data, because this space data only handled by the quantum machines. If you are using like that such type of like space data, or like some satellite data, or like some GIS based data, geospatial data, this such type of data, it would be very compatible, it would be very useful in the quantum machines. quantum computing. Because today we are using like some GPU, some advanced servers, but they are not compatible with that particular machines. After coming in the market, quantum computing, quantum machines, these such type of like spatial data, space data, some satellite data, we can solve the problem. We can process the data within seconds.
Yeah, okay, thank you, sir. So, how can academia and industry collaborate to create educational pathways that produce adaptable and versatile data scientists ready to embrace emerging technologies?
Yeah, it's a good question because without industry support, academia cannot do anything. Because in the industry, they are using latest technologies, latest tools, latest software. They are very well aware about the particular new tools and new technology. But academia is a not updated because academia is only follow the affiliation university or colleges syllabus or like something like that. So it's a very most important, and every university, every college must be interrelated, or it should be related to the particular industry. Otherwise, industry will not come in the market in the education area, or they will not adopt the education, or like they do not MOU with the like education sectors. It will be difficult for the education system.
Yeah, okay, thank you, sir. What novel data science techniques will be required to deal with the unique challenges of working with data from remote and extreme environments?
Could you repeat question this again?
So, what novel data science techniques will be required to deal with the unique challenges of working with data from remote and extreme environments?
Basically, because it's a biggest challenge today in the market, because in the we are that's why I show you the dark data, because we have a data, lot of data, but we are focusing, we are analyzing only selected data. So you can think about that. In the 90% data is dark data, or this dark data, they they do not play in the business process. They do not use in our regular process. So in this particular 90% dark data, we have very useful data, but we are not using. Lot of the like company CEOs and company market scenario, they are not using system. They are using only selected data. They have to fix, like we will use only 5%, 10% data in our regular process, in a business process, and they have to avoid, they have to neglect such type of 80%, 90% data. And this dark data is a very important, but industry or some other like they are not using. So it's a typical task. If we are not focusing dark data, in the future we will not get the accurate results.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So questions are over here. So the answers are very useful. I hope the access and that the participant can understand about that. So finally, sir, so ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the end of this enriching session on the present, past, and future of data science in emerging technology with our esteemed guest speaker, Dr. B.K. Verma, I stand here filled with gratitude for the invaluable knowledge and insights he has shared with us. So, Dr. Verma, your depth of expertise and passion for data science have truly inspired us all. So, your comprehensive exploration of the historical evaluation of data science, its current impact on various industries, and the exciting possibilities it holds for the future has been enlightening and thought provoking. So, your dedication as an educator, mentor, and researcher in the field of data science has left a lasting impression on all the participants present here. Your commitment to nurturing the talents of aspiring data scientists and guiding them towards excellence in commendable, and we are grateful for the profound impact you continue to make in the lives of countless individuals. So once again, thank you, Dr. B.K. Verma, for your enlightening session and for being an inspiration to us all. We hope you to have privilege of hosting you again in the future. So thank you and have a wonderful day. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much for this session. Thank you.
Thank you so much.